Hey health enthusiasts, I'm thrilled to share some cool summer recipes using one of my favorite grains ragi, or as it's also known, finger millet. This tiny powerhouse is not just nutritious, but it's also super versatile. So, let's dive into how to make your summer both delicious and healthy with these easy ragi recipes. First up is the ragi smoothie bowl. Imagine starting your day with a bowl that's not only eye-catching, but packed with nutrients. Just blend together some ragi flour, your favorite frozen berries, a banana, and a splash of almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top it with sliced fruits, nuts, and seeds. It's a refreshing start to any day. Moving on to lunch or dinner, let's talk about ragi tacos. Yes, you heard that right. Simply replace your regular taco shells with ones made from ragi flour. Fill them with grilled veggies, spicy chickpeas, and a dollop of yogurt sauce. It's a delightful twist that'll keep you full and energized. And for those sweet summer evenings, let's not forget about the ragi chocolate pudding. Mix ragi flour with cocoa powder, a bit of maple syrup, and coconut milk. Cook it until it thickens, let it cool. And there you have a dessert that's both indulgent and good for you. So, there you have it. 3 simple, tasty, and healthy recipes using ragi to help you stay cool and nourished this summer. Whether it's starting your day off with a burst of energy from a smoothie bowl, enjoying a fun and filling ragi taco for lunch, or indulging in a guilt-free chocolate pudding, ragi has got you covered. Don't forget, experimenting with new ingredients like ragi not only adds variety to your diet but also brings numerous health benefits. It's high in fiber, rich in calcium, and gluten-free, making it a fantastic choice for almost anyone. So, give these recipes a try and make this summer your healthiest yet. Thanks for watching, and remember, eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Stay tuned for more tasty and wholesome recipes. See you next time.